The show must go on.
Well, we can't go on without you.
Yeah, we're a band. We stick together.
You bring the funk to the tree trunks.
But I can't.
Sing like this.
Singing, hiccuping, standing there shaking your tail. It doesn't matter what you do, Fergie.
Yeah, we're not the tree trunks without you.
You know, there is one more way to get rid of hiccups. You need something to scare you.
Like what?
Anything frightening, someone screaming, flashing lights, a big loud surprise.
I don't have time to get scared. The tree trunks will have to bring the fun, even with hiccups.
Let's do it.
Yeah, we will. Tree trunks on 3. 1, 2, 3. Tree trunks!
Thanks for trying to help cure my hiccups, Vida.
No problem, Fergie.
Are you okay?
I got stage fright.
You did?
Yep. The stage fright. Get my hiccups away. Your cure worked. Hello, Sweetwood. We have a great song for you today. A 1, 2, 3.
Now we're the tree trunks, we bring the fun, and we've got something to say.
Listen up.
When you're supposed to be rocking, but your hiccups aren't stopping. Don't ever let it ruin your day.
No.
Just boogie on over to Vida the vet, 'cause when he really needs help, help's what she gets.
She's got ideas to try to make hiccups say bye, but it doesn't always happen that way.
When you have the hiccups, you hiccup and you hiccup. 'Cause sometimes the hiccups, they don't stop, but you don't give up. No, you show up when you go up on stage, even if those hiccups aren't gone. The hiccups won't leave you, but your friends still need you. And the show, it must go on. So when you have the hiccups, just go with it. Rock out to the rhythm, just flow with it. Don't let them trip you up, let them make you hop. Yeah, you got a little hiccup, but you don't stop. Say hiccup, hiccup, hiccup.
It's a hiccup box.
When you have the hiccups, you hiccup and you hiccup.
But a little hiccup can't make you stop.